Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 14, problem number 1 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And in this problem, we're told that the proton NMR spectrum of methanol recorded on a 500 MHz NMR consists of two signals. So one is from the methyl protons at 1715 Hertz, and the other is from the alcohol proton at 1830 Hertz. And so we're asked to calculate the chemical shift of each of these signals. And then we're asked whether the methyl protons absorb upfield or downfield from the alcohol proton. And so to begin, remember that to calculate the chemical shift, what we need to do is divide each signal that we're given in hertz, divide that by the megahertz, the size of the magnet, which in this case is 500. So for the methyl protons, what we get is 1715 hertz divided by 500 megahertz. And then so even though this is hertz divided by megahertz, our unit for our answer is going to be parts per million, or ppm. And so the answer is 3.43 ppm. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing for the alcohol proton. And so for the alcohol proton, we're told that that signal is at 1830 hertz. And again, we'll divide that by 500. And so our answer this time is going to be 3.66 ppm. Okay, so that's where our signals will be. And so for part B here, we're asked whether the methyl protons are upfield or downfield of the alcohol proton. And so remember, NMRs generally are sort of read from right to left. So the 0 is to the right, and then the numbers go up as you move to the left. And so something to the right is going to be upfield, something to the left is going to be downfield. So as the numbers go up, we call that downfield, which is sort of counterintuitive, I guess. But so in this case, 3.43 is going to be to the right of 3.66. And so that is going to make those methyl protons upfield of the alcohol proton. So upfield. All right, and so that's the answer to part B. And that's the way to approach this problem. We just need to remember how to convert from hertz to ppm, and then need to remember that upfield corresponds to the right and downfield corresponds to the left. And so that's the answer to Chapter 14, problem number 1.